What's going on, guys? Lynette here, and today we're going to be unboxing Teeblox monthly t-shirt subscription. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so like we said, it's September and we are unboxing another Teeblox t-shirt subscription. The cool thing about Teeblox is every month they send you a unique t-shirt. So these are not t-shirts that you can go out to the store and buy. These are only t-shirts that they uniquely find for you. So I'll put all their information in the description box below so you guys can check that out. This particular Teeblox subscription has to do with comics and the comic, but they do let you curate and choose a certain theme. So if you don't like comics, maybe this particular t-shirt may not be for you, but you can go out to their description, their link in the description box below so you guys can see what other themes they do have. But again, this is for September, so we will see what they sent us this month. So it comes every month in this bag, and I've already opened it, so I'm not sitting here taking my time trying to unbox this one. So let me see. So here already it says Civil War. So if you have a Marvel fan in your home, you already know the theme is Civil War. So this is navy, and there you go. So you can see there, this is the Avengers, this is Captain Marvel and Iron Man duking it out. If you watch that movie, you already know that's what happened in the movie. So that is what that looks like there. And then if you guys see on the bottom, it shows everyone who was in Civil War. So I know my husband is eagerly awaiting this t-shirt, but yeah, it's cool because every month they've sent him a different Marvel, I think a couple videos ago, and I'll put them at maybe up there somewhere so you guys can see what other t-shirts he's gotten. I know they sent him Superman, and it was like Avengers before. He likes comics, so he really doesn't matter which one they send him, he loves them all. So this one, I definitely think he's gonna love this one for sure. So you guys can see that Cap versus Tony Stark and all the other Avengers that was in that movie. So yeah, I think this one was definitely worth it. Again, I'll put Teeblox information in the description box below so you guys can check that out. But definitely let me know if you guys love this t-shirt, you guys are into it. Have you guys tried Teeblox before? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Have a good day, guys.